Hey there, it's David Ginelli.
And Julia Blinsky.
And we're realtors with Royal Signature. Julia, where are we today?
We're in North York.
More specifically, we're in the Jane and Eglinton area. I love this area for a lot of reasons, but what are some of your reasons why you love it?
Well, it's close to schools, parks.
Yeah, we got the LRT close by, TTC, and even Black Creek is just a hop, skip, and a jump away. But why are we here, Julia?
Well, we're here to showcase this lovely home right behind us.
Yeah, this home has been meticulously upgraded from top to bottom, as you can see from this gorgeous landscape front. And it also has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths with a basement apartment.
And don't forget the 3-car garage behind us.
We'll get to that. We want to build some anticipation here. All right, let's go check out the home. Welcome to 35 Bartonville Avenue West. As I mentioned, this home has been updated from top to bottom, including a brand new roof. It's got crown molding, new engineered hardwood floors, electrical, plumbing, pot lights, drywall, insulation. Oh my God, I can go on and on. But the home still kept the charm of the original structure, which I love that fact. I also love the fact how this is nice and open, and it leads to this gorgeous kitchen which Julia is standing in.
Well, Dave, this has to be my favorite part of the home because aside from the stainless steel appliances, check out the amount of prep space you have on this quartz countertop.
Yeah, it's fantastic for entertaining. Imagine preparing meals or just sitting around, have a couple of cocktails, and then you can lead the party right out these double doors to your own private yard. Enjoy the rest of the main space, and then we'll meet you upstairs.
Wow, Dave, the second floor is just as nice as the main floor.
Yeah, that's because they brought all those amazing elements from the main floor upstairs. They got these great engineered hardwood floors, you got the crown molding, and even the color scheme is brought upstairs exactly the same.
Yeah, there's also 3 really good sized bedrooms up here, all which feature their own custom built-in closets.
And don't forget, there's a bedroom behind me here that has its own private balcony. So imagine having your morning coffee or sit in the tranquility of your backyard. It's awesome. Check out the rest of this floor, and also don't forget to check out the basement apartment, and we'll meet you outside. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour of inside the home. Now to my favorite spot.
The backyard.
Always, I love this backyard.
Dave, it's so nice and quiet back here.
That's because the home backs onto this gorgeous ravine, and you have no neighbors back there, so it's always nice and quiet.
And you have a view of your nice 3-car garage.
Yeah, that's a rarity in this area. Gorgeous 3-car garage. Also, don't forget, this is nicely landscaped. You can enjoy lots of parties back here. You even have a sprinkler system. I know I'm going on and on and on. So I love the property. I know you will too. So if you want to check it out personally and book a private tour, you can always call or text me at 416-876-9998 or email me dginelli@royallepage.ca. In the meantime, let's enjoy this backyard, right?
Let's have a coffee.
Sure. We're going to enjoy a coffee. You call us. Bye for now.